In this video, I will show you how to start a blog on Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is click on content and then click on blog post and then click on create blog post, and then you can type the title that you want here about your blog. So for example, I will just type example only, and then for the content, you can type the content about your blog or about the title. So I will change it as shoes or best shoes. And then, so the content is, I will type as an example content. So this is all about the best shoes, like that. So this content is, for example, purposes only for tutorial. And then you can also make it a bold text so that you want. Based on your preferences, you can also italic it or change the color of the text here, like that. And then you can also edit the alignment. And then here, you can also add a summary. Just click on add excerpt and then type the summary about the blog that you need to post. So this is just an example only, blah blah blah, like that. And then you can insert an image here. You can also insert a video here in the summary. You can also add a table if you want. The 3 dots here, you can also edit the paragraph into heading 1, 2, 3, like that. You can also add the text on bold, italic, line, underline. You can also add a image here about your blog. Just click on upload image or generate image. So for example, the shoes, and then click on done. And the visibility, if it's visible or hidden, like that. And then here you can see the search engine listing. So you will see the page title here. You can also add a meta description here. So for example, I will just type this is just for teaching purposes only, like that. And then the URL handle, and then you will see the author here. So you can change the author here, that. And then on the blog, you can create a new blog or choose a news here. So I will choose this news, and then you can also add a tags here. For example, like that. Just click on add tag, like that. And then the template is default. And then once you have done editing the blog here, so please make sure to double check, click on save, and then once you save it, you can click on more actions to delete it or manage comments, and then click on view to view your blogs. And here it is, the final result. So this is just for example. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.